Getting books on birthdays is a blessing. So this is a birthday book haul. So in total there are 12 books and I have divided those in parts. Divided in parts in the sense that the books that I received from my friends and family, the books that I received from my boyfriend, and the books that I received from myself, that is self-gifted. So starting up with the books that I got from my cousin, these were the two books that my cousin gifted me. So first one is The Secret. We all know this book and I have read this book. Still, I'm going to keep this one as a memory. So this was the first one. Then next is Can We Be Strangers Again? The cover is kind of interesting and let's see how I like this. Next are the books that I got for myself. And the first book what I got for myself is The Birthday Stories by Murakami. And this is a strange story of me picking a book. I had visited a book carnival or book fest where there were a lot of books for sale, and my birthday was coming soon and I saw a title Birthday Stories, so I had to pick this one. Then the next one is There is No Such Thing as an Easy Job. The title was interesting, and I am in a phase of my career where I think I'll need this book. Next one is The Greatest Russian Short Stories. And recently I have been obsessed with Russian writers and short stories of the Russian literature. So I think I liked it. Then, next one is Another Day in Landor by Ruskin Bond, the favorite author of every Indian, I guess, because I started reading because of Ruskin Bond, and just because his writings are so simple and so easy to understand. That is the reason I loved all his books and I had to pick this one. I had not read this one and that is the reason I bought it. Then, next is The Mountain Is You. This book is all over my Instagram and there are a lot of TBR videos and book reviews, book suggestions that suggest this book. So that is the reason I got this one too. And the last book that I got for myself was The Life's Magic Moments by Ruskin Bond. So cute. Look at this. So cute, right? And now finally the books that my boyfriend got me. So these are four books that my boyfriend got me, and he doesn't know anything about books. He's not interested in books, but still somehow he managed to go into my saved and my TBR list, and that is the reason he bought me these books. So the first book was Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. This is also one of the most famous books on Instagram and Bookstagram. This was not in my TBR list, but still he thought of gifting me this, so I would appreciate reading this. Then next is the Japanese bestseller. What you are looking for is in the library. And now, as I said, I am obsessed with Russian and Japanese literature, so I had to read this. Next is The Pride and Prejudice by Jane Austen. Wow, look at the cover. Amazing, right? So I had to read this. I wanted to read Pride and Prejudice since long time, and the reason I wanted to read was so many influencers on Instagram, on my internet, all over the internet is flooded by Pride and Prejudice. I don't know if it's hyped, overhyped, or worth the hype. So I will read and I'll let you know. And also, they say that there is a movie on Pride and Prejudice. So let's see. So it's a love story, and he gave me a love story. So I'm happy for that. Then, last is The Bookpreneur. This damn book is so expensive. I have been waiting to buy this since long and he gifted me. So I'm so thankful. Thank you so much. This book is for writers just like me, budding writers like me. So I'm so thankful to have this and all of the books. So this was my haul video for the books that I got on my birthday. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.